What's up, everybody? In today's video, we're going to talk about a really cool free Chrome extension that can be used to find color palettes and or find a color that you may not know what it is from an RGB or hex code, and be able to utilize that whether for your own usage, for your prospects, or for your clients. But it has multiple use cases, and we can dive off into how I use the tool. So it's called ColorZilla. Go into Google, type in ColorZilla Chrome Extension. It should be the first one that comes up. And then go ahead and add it to Chrome. And then when it's added to Chrome, you can go to your Chrome Extension toolbar. And I can show you the couple of ways that I use it. The first way is I like to use the pick color from page. If I'm working with a client that doesn't know their particular colors, or they don't have a brand kit in place, and they already utilize colors, I can go to their website and figure out what the colors are, once again from an RGB or a hex code perspective. And how I use that is I just click on that and always copies to the clipboard. And from there, I can go from pick color from panel or pick color history. So the color is usually saved from there, and I can utilize it however I need to, whether I'm using Canva or if I'm WordPress or in Go High Level designing websites. Another great way for me to use this is if I'm interested in knowing what a particular brand is using as far as a color palette goes, I can go to their webpage, Color Analyzer, and then it gives me the range of colors that they're using on that particular website. So this is a really cool tool, and it really expedites the process of finding out what colors people are using. I'll go to my client here, I'll click on her page, and we'll go to web page, Color Analyzer, and it brings up the color scheme that's used on this particular page. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.